Hey, it's Jill with Gator Metal Roofing, and I'm out here in Canton near Asheville with a happy customer, Mark, and I just wanted to put him in.
Didn't cost as much as I thought it would. And it beats the hell out of the insurance company. What they said, their price said all had done one side. Gator Roofing done the whole roof off for me. So hopefully you need good roofing, guaranteed for 50 years, but you're going to last longer than my house will. Because it's already 75 years old, so 50 years it'd be 170. It won't last that long, I don't think. So, thank you.
Choose from 18 vibrant, fade-proof colors to match your home style. Enjoy the energy savings, durability, and lifetime warranty that comes with every Gator Metal Roof. Visit metalroofingcolors.com to schedule your free estimate today.